In basic aerodynamic definitions, let us study aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is defined as the ratio between the wingspan B and the wing mean aerodynamic chord C bar. So I can write the aspect ratio as B by C bar. So the wing planform area with a rectangular or straight tapered shape is defined as the span times the mean aerodynamic chord, S equals to B times C bar, which is the wing planform area. Now, we can have multiple wing planforms for the same wing planform area as this. So, when we redefine its span, wingspan, for the same wing planform area, we can have multiple shapes as shown in figure A, B, C, D, E. So here the aspect ratio from the bottom, if you see, the aspect ratio is ranging from 1 to 26.7. Okay? Thus, the aspect ratio can be redefined as aspect ratio equals to B by C bar times, if I multiply and divide with B, I can write it as B square by S. This equation is not to be used for the wing with geometry other than rectangular, such as triangle, trapezoid, or ellipse, except when the span is redefined like we did in this figure.